A weak set is just like a set, except there are a number of limitations, or I guess you could say benefits to using a weak set in some situations. So we create it just like we would before, and you can pass it an iterable of items. So dog1 and dog2. I could have also have done weak sauce dot add dog2. Let's check it out. Weak sauce. There we go. I can say dot has dog1. That is true. Has dog2. The important thing that we need to know here about a weak set is that a weak set can only ever contain objects. It cannot contain strings or numbers or arrays or anything else. It can only ever contain an object. Now, we'll see why that's important in just a second. So that's one thing that we need to know about it. The other thing we need to know about it is you cannot enumerate, or you cannot loop over it. So we couldn't do our for const dog of weak sauce and then console log dog. Watch the error that it gives us. Symbol.iterator is not a function. There is no iterator on a weak set like there is on an array or on a set or any of the other things that we can use a for of on. So that's out the window. And so you might be saying like, well, that's kind of weak. Like, why would I ever want to use that? And the last thing that we need to know about a weak set is that there is no .clear method. So if I have my weak sauce here, there is no .clear method that I can call against it. And I'll tell you why. Because the weak sets sort of clean themselves up. And this has everything to do with garbage collection and memory. And what that means is that when the reference to one of these dogs no longer exists, for example, if we were to delete one of these dogs, then it would automatically be garbage collected, which means it would automatically be taken out of our weak set. So we have the set that is weakly held, which means that things can just automatically go away, because if they're deleted in the code that you're running, then they are going to be also deleted from the set. So to demonstrate that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set dog1 to be null, and I'm just going to console log the weak set right here. Now, when does garbage collection happen? It really depends on your browser and a whole bunch of other things. There's no way to force it, but generally what you can do is you can wait for a couple seconds and you'll see that the weak set has been gone. So we're going to console log the weak set here, and then I'm going to console log the weak set here. We'll see if that does anything. Oh, not the weak set, the weak sauce. Poor name. Here we deleted dog1, but it's still in here. Does that mean we still have that's what's called a memory leak to some people, where you reference something that cannot be referenced otherwise. But if we were to, I've just waited here a couple of seconds now. Let's type it in, weak sauce. Now it's gone. You see how Snickers is no longer in there? It's because we deleted it just in our JavaScript, and the weak set ran a garbage collection that says, okay, who of my items no longer exists? Because get out of here. We don't need you any longer. You've been garbage collected. So not a whole bunch of use cases for that, but if you're storing like a DOM node or any type of other object, then you don't have to make sure that even though you delete the actual reference to the object, you don't have to worry about it also being in an array or something somewhere and causing a memory leak. You'll know that the weak set is going to take care of it for you.